So let's talk about this architectural drafting table, computer, desk lamp that I got to review for you. So this desk lamp is pretty unique. You can maneuver it all sorts of ways. And here's the light bar. It has the dual light bar. It has a remote control where you could turn on the power here. Of course, you have all your color, temperature range, you have timer, you have nighttime setting. So let's bring up, so this is the low, and let's bring up the intensity. So that's pretty intense. As you can see, it's shining on me. And this is great for getting above light, angled light, right above your project, and it has a great reach and great height. So let's maneuver this. So this is like 4 feet high, I say, and super maneuverable. If you need to move it around, it has a quick disconnect here so that you could connect it and move it around. It has a nice table brace that it comes with it, so you could fix it to a table. And look at this light. I mean, it's crazy how much light you get. You can manipulate this all sorts of ways. You know, you could light up the ceiling while lighting the desk. You could go full ceiling. You could definitely go this way. So you can manipulate this like this. Turn it this way. Have it in the base. Going right over your table. You have this up here. It's got good mechanics where you have these adjusters where you could clinch it down and set it in place. Has a nice spring mechanism here. Very well built. Very interesting. There's a lot of possibilities that you could do with this. And it's almost too many to figure out. So let me get this back in the base here. And it fits in nice because it has rubberized feet there. And here we go. We could turn it this way. We could turn it that way. Above here. Could reach out. Come down. It's almost confusing, but super flexible. I mean, how much more can you need? Wow, look at this. So you could do something like that if you want to. It's just almost too much. You could actually do like a ring light effect. So like I said, it has the timer, it has nighttime setting, and of course the color changes. So that's warm. Nice and warm. And you go super high, and you go super low. So that's nice and low. And you can see the different color LEDs here. This is a great super. You definitely have a nice stable clamp that you could clamp it to a table. And this is where you slide and it catches the clamp either here or there. So a lot of options for mounting. It's more than what you probably need, and it's a great thing. I use it for accent light for my camera shoot over here, so let me show you. I use it for accent light for the side over here, and let's try to match. So we'll try to match there, and we'll go up one, and it highlights me. And I like to keep it low because I like the subtle look. So that's the architectural lamp LED. Great product, and I like it, and you probably will too.